Hello and welcome to Daily Red Video. In today's episode, we are going to see how to hide photos, videos, and any sensitive documents that you have on your iPhone or iPad with the help of an application. By default, Apple doesn't provide any option for you to, password protect or hide any sensitive documents that you have on your iPhone. So it is possible with the help of a third-party application. So before, entering into the video, I like to show you some of the possibilities where people try to hide their, photos, videos that they have on their Photos application. So these are, very limited vault-related password protecting or hiding applications are there in App Store, and most of them are not up to date. They won't work perfectly with latest iOS operating system, and the developers are not providing frequent updates to make sure that the application is compatible and works with all the iOS devices. So the third-party application I was talking about, we are going to use it for password protecting your sensitive files and documents today is Documents by Reddle. This is of course a very popular application which I have recommended it earlier for downloading Facebook videos and YouTube videos, Twitter, Instagram videos, or any videos that you want to do, download and share it with your friends and followers. You can find the link to that particular tutorial in the description of this video, or by tapping on this I symbol, it will take you over there. And today we are going to use this particular Documents by Reddle app, to password protect our sensitive documents. So once you have downloaded it, open the Documents by Reddle application. So we can call it as Documents application. Here you can see the folders, the files, everything that is already stored here. And tap on the settings icon, the settings icon on the top left corner, and it will take you to the options that is available for this particular app. And then you have to select the passkey lock and enable the passkey lock, and make sure you have enabled the require immediately option. If you want to enable Touch ID or Face ID, you can do that here, and then enter the passkey or the password. So I'm setting it as 12345. Okay, and make sure you have read the description below. The passkey will be requested on each document start. Be careful, as there is no way to recover it. So it is important that you don't forget this particular password. Otherwise, files will also be deleted, when you try to reinstall this application to open this again. So don't forget this passkey lock at any cost. Okay, it is important to protect your data at the same time. So once you have done this, tap on close. And then I'm going to force close it, or it is not necessary, of course, because we have enabled require immediately toggle in the passkey lock settings. So after doing that, you have to navigate to Files app just to verify the documents is password protected. All right, so it will require for authentication. So let's keep it here. Let's try password protecting and hiding few photos from this photos album. So these are the 4 photos I have, and I'm going to select 3 of them. And at the bottom left corner, you can see the share sheet icon. Tap on it and then go to save to files at the third section, save to files. And there you can see Dropbox documents on my iPhone and iCloud Drive. So what we have to do is go to the multitasking panel, and then here you can see the authentication required. I'm going to let Files app browse through the Documents app. So I have entered the passcode and it is now accessible. So here you can see the folders appear instantly. And one more important thing, like most of the steps that I'm going to tell you is, not required to be followed every time you try to hide and password protect a file. The process is entirely simple. I'll give a summary walkthrough, once I completed, explaining all these process. So you have selected the Documents app, and then you can see the private folder. I have already created it. Otherwise, you can create a new folder by tapping on this folder icon with the plus symbol and click on save. These 3 files have been moved to the Documents app. I can verify that by going to the Documents app or Files app. I can open any one of them and enter the passcode. So apart from your iPhone passcode, this Documents app will have a separate passcode. I didn't enable the Face ID because if there is any chance that my family members have similar bone structure, then the Face ID can be bypassed. So for that reason, it is not recommended to have the Face ID enabled if you're so cautious about, protecting your documents from your family members for certain reasons. All right. So here you can see the private folder. And the files I have transferred, I have did it twice already. So it is available here in 2 copies. So after confirming that the copy is already here, I have to select, by going to the Photos application, I have to delete these 3 files or photos permanently. So to do that, after deleting it from your Photos album, navigate to your Albums folder, and at the bottom you will see the recently deleted. So from there, you have to select those photos and permanently, delete it. These copies will not be available on your Photos application, on your camera roll, or any folders that you have created and shared this particular files with. So in order to access it, you need to go to the Documents app and then enter the passcode, and there you will be able to access this particular folder. And it is also possible to access via Files app, but again, you need to enter the passcode from there also. So here you can see from the locations, when you tap on the documents, it will require for authentication. So this is how you can hide and password protect any files, folders, or photos, videos, anything on your iPhone or iPad. So once you have set up everything, I'm going to give a quick walkthrough on how this actually works. So select the photo you want to transfer, you want to hide and password protect. Tap on the chat sheet icon, select Save to Files, and then select Documents. As you can see, if you click on save, it will be moved directly to the root folder of the documents. But if you want to save it on any specific folder, go to the Files application, and there you have to authenticate once. Okay, authenticate once with the Documents application. That's all. So now you have opened the access from Files app to the Documents app, and then you will be able to access all the folders inside. Otherwise, if you click on save, it will be stored directly on your Documents app. That is totally your choice. If you want to delete it very faster, you can do that, by this method, and that's all. You can delete this photo or video, from your Photos app. So overall, it takes around 4 to 5 steps, I believe, once you have successfully set up the passcode for the Documents app. If you think I'm going a little bit faster, you can use the playback control speed in this video and see the process step by step with a little bit in slower speed if you want to. And I hope this video helped you to hide your photos, videos, and any files or documents easily, without any issues in your iPhone or iPad. If you find this video useful, don't forget to share it with your friends at Twitter, Facebook, and any other social medium that you are using. It may help others too. And for more tutorials related to iPhone, iPad, and Mac computers, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and feel free to ask your questions in the comments section. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.